Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA C21 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display manually. Then you can enable or disable dark theme, and also schedule it. And next you can enable or disable night light, change its intensity and also schedule it. Next you can change white balance, enable automatically white balance, and change color temperature. Then you can enable or disable adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, adjust font size, display size, set screensaver between clock, colors and photos, and in the end you can manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, to show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, and don't show notifications at all. You can enable or disable skip lock screen, show lockdown option, wake screen for notifications, and in the end you can add text on lock screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.